Hey you guys! Okay, I am super excited to be talking to you guys today. I have some extremely exciting news. So, quick background. As you guys know, if you've been following my videos, you've noticed that when I do my hair, for the most part, almost every style, I use a shea butter mixture. And over the years, I've been using my concoction, and I've been making it for years. And then over the years, I've been selling it and just kind of like slowly like giving it out as a gift. And I've gotten really great feedback. And so I decided to go ahead and go about selling my product. So I come to you today with a promo, and I just want to let you know that I am selling my shea butter mixture. And the name of my shea butter mixture is Shay's Everything Shea Butter. And the reason I named it that is because it's an all-natural product and it can be used for everything. I mean to tell you, I use it for my hair, I use it for my face, I use it for my hands, my body. I use it for everything. And it's all natural. I mixed it and infused it with all natural oils. It's a combination of shea butter, coconut, grapeseed, jojoba, avocado oil, castor oil, vegetable glycerin, and aloe vera. So I put all the ingredients on the labeling, and I've been using this mixture, and it is just amazing on hair. My husband uses it for his beard, and so I just want to let you know that I have my product for sale. Yay! I'm selling a 16 ounce for $20, and then I'm selling a smaller ounce, which is the 8 ounce, for $10. And so this will be this plus shipping. So my contact info is below, and if you are interested and want to try it out, hit me up. Either respond in the comments or just hit me up on my contact info. So I'm really excited, and I will be doing another promo just to kind of show you guys just how I've been using it. Like I said, if you guys have been watching me, you notice I use this product all the time. So I am just like uber excited about it. It is a new opportunity, and I am just thrilled. So let me know if you guys have any questions. As always, thank you for watching. Bye bye.